Making omelette is very easy, like super easy, but you have to be patient enough for it so that you don't end up scattering it or spoiling it. So I'll be using simple ingredients you can find in your house. I'll be using just salt, onions and black pepper. The black pepper is actually optional. You can use spicy pepper, or you can just use salt and the egg, or you can just use salt and onions, any of the above. So I decided to use black pepper because that's what I want to use. So what you need to do is get your egg, add whatever you want to add to the egg, and then you mix the egg. And when you mix the egg, you get ready to fry. Get your pan, put it on fire, and you can add either butter or oil. So this is the frying process. You add butter or oil to the pan, and when it is ready, you turn your egg inside, your mixed egg inside. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, please kindly turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that anytime we post a new video you will be notified. Thank you. So now that our oil is hot and ready, not too hot, but it has to be hot. So when it is hot and ready, you just turn your egg inside. So I'm going to turn my egg inside now, and I'm just going to allow it sit there and allow it to fry. Now this is the patient part I was talking about. At this point, you just have to wait. You have to wait for it to be ready so that you can flip over. So make sure it doesn't scatter. Make sure it is like this. Make sure it doesn't scatter at all. So once it is ready like this, as you can see, it is, the up is dried, though not fully dried, but it is dried. At that point, you know it is ready. So you just flip it over, and then when you flip it over, you wait for the other side too to be ready. So make sure it is on low heat so that it doesn't burn. Make sure it's on low heat, and now you have to wait again. So you waited patiently for the first side to be ready, and now you have to wait patiently again for this other side to be ready. And once it is ready, that is all, your egg is ready. So make sure it's on low heat. Do not forget, it has to be on low heat so that it doesn't burn, so that it will come out well. As you can see, the front and back is already, it's ready. So at this point, you can remove the egg from the fire, or you can still wait for it to dry a bit. I'm waiting for it to dry a bit before removing it, but it is ready, so you can actually take it off, and then you can eat your delicious sweet omelette. So please don't forget to like I said, don't forget to comment. Let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. So yeah, this is our omelette. And trust me, it is super delicious. Like, this is very easy to make, and it is super delicious. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.